a fabulous dance performance. Thank you for dedicating it to your fathers. Now I call upon Aaron to speak a few words on Father's Day.
Gather here to celebrate a day dedicated to honoring our father. Fathers are one of the most important figures in a child's life. They teach us valuable lessons not only through their words but also through their actions. Fathers work day and night to provide for their families. I love spending time with my fathers. They are a constant source of encouragement and inspiration of a child's life. Fathers, on this special day, I would like to let's take a moment to reflect the positive influence of our fathers have had on the child's life. Thank you.
And all my friends. My name is Lalita and today I am here to present you how lucky we are to have a father. Today we honor our fathers, love and sacrifices. A father is a very important person in our life. Fathers are our main pillars of strength and guidance. They shape our lives with their endless hard work. We should always love and respect our father. He shows us always a good path. He teaches us good manners and well behaviors. He is the backbone of our family. According to me, the meaning of father or full form is F means fantastic, A means amazing, T means teacher, H means hero, E means excellent, R means remarkable. Even though he will not get whatever he needed, but he will make sure that his children are getting everything that they need. Every father is a superhero for their children. Every father is a shining star who shows us the way through darkness. At last, I just wanted to tell that what I told through this speech was an actual experience that I had from my father. Thank you.
School. Father's Day is celebrated third Sunday of June in every year. Due to heavy rain, we consider to cancelling the program since you have been practicing with the script from many days. Decided to keep one small program in the assembly itself. So we are celebrating one small program today. Actually, we wanted to do very big one. Dear students, father is not just a someone who gives the food to your table. He is a someone who helps you to become a good individual, to protect and guide you. Father's love is always a silent one. So, but he has lot of love, deep love he has on his children. He never expresses his love in front of you, but you can only feel by his actions. I'll tell one small story how the father's love will be. Once there was a bird fall from the nest and he was scared and injured. And kind farmer, he took that bird and kept it in his place in the nest bag. And he kept an eye on it just to make sure that it is safe. He never tell about his kindness to the bird, or he cannot expect any reward from that. But just he was keeping on watching whether it is safe or what. Same like our father love to us. He never expressed his love. He never he will reward he'll ask from us, but he keep on loving the children. Dear students, on this celebration, Father's Day celebration, I instruct you, love your father, thank your father, not with words, just with your actions. like respect your father and love your father, and not to make them feel sad by your actions. Just make them proud by fulfilling their wishes. So all the children, I just tell your father or mother, both parents, love you and thank you. Not only today, every day. Thank you.